Hello student, question is in the given figure the ratio between the area of squares ABCD and BEFD. So student, here ABCD is given figure square and another square is BEFD. So let side of BEFD is x, this is also x, and this is also x. So side of BEFD is x, then BD is the diagonal of square ABCD. Therefore, if side of ABCD is A, then this will be A. So what is the relation between A and X? This is a right angle triangle. So in right angle triangle BCD, A square plus A square equal to X square. So 2A square equal to X square or A equal to X square by 2. So this is the area of square ABCD equal to A square side square, which is equal to X square by 2, and area of square BEFD, because side of BEFD is x, so side square. Let this area is A1 and this area is A2, or we write area of ABCD equal to X square by 2, and area of BEFD equal to X square. And question is asking that the ratio between the area of square ABCD and BEFD. So we divide this area of ABCD over area of BEFD equal to X square by 2 over X square. So this is divided by 1 times, we get 1 by 2. Therefore, area of ABCD ratio area of BEFD equal to 1:2. So answer of this question is found in option C, which is 1:2. So student, in this way we solve this problem. I hope you got it. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel and also make comment for any query or doubt. Thanks for watching.